This video tutorial I will cover example of Spring expression language ternary operator. Here I have defined a class address. It has three properties: street, city and state. Street value will be injected as A220 Bridge Apartment. City value will be injected as Chennai. State value will be injected as Tamil Nadu. Here I have defined the class employee. It has three properties: ID, name and South Indian. ID value will be injected as 100, name value will be injected as Peter and South Indian value will be injected as true or false based on this condition. If state value of address object is Tamil Nadu, the value will be set as true, else it will be set as false. If you see state value of address object is Tamil Nadu, so South Indian property value will be set as true. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have enabled auto component scanning for this package. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and displaying the employee object. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object.